What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to pay contactless with Revolut, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. So let's jump to the topic. So how to do a contactless payment with Revolut. So first of all, what you need is an iPhone. So only iPhone can do contactless payment with Revolut. So what you need to know about this. So basically it's secure and private. So of course, quite a nice feature. So you can settle it up within 24 hours. So basically, it's an easy, whether you're a Revolut Pro or Revolut Business customer, you can set up and pay on iPhone up on either platform. So how to do it on iPhone with Revolut Pro? So first of all, you need to open your Revolut app, head to the hub and select Pro. Second step is hit new sale, then select tap to pay on iPhone. Step 3 is follow the instructions on screen, and step 4 is ask your customer to present their payment method and tap the contactless symbol. How to tap to pay on iPhone for Revolut Business? So you need to open your Revolut Business app and head to the Merchant tab. Hit request, then select tap to pay on iPhone. And third step is follow the instructions on screen and ask your customer to present their payment method and tap the contactless symbol. From there, you are away. Contactless payment, pay directly to your account using only your iPhone as a means of acceptance. So basically, guys, quite a good feature. So overall, that's the entirety of the process on how to do a contactless pay with Revolut. So hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.